And today we're going to find angles. So given the bearing and a little diagram, we want to find out the angle in question. Just kind of the reverse process of what we've been doing. So we just have to use different kind of rules. So just remembering that, well, not rules, just remembering that, well, we have 0 is north, right? Uh, or 0, 0, 0, I should say. Then we have east as 090, right? Is east. We have 180, and that's south. And finally we have west. I should say slash 360 for my north, sorry. We have west as 270 degrees. Okay? So this is just basic angle addition and subtraction. So we just have to choose which one and then fully answer the question after. So, what am I going to use to find out this angle theta? So some people say theta, doesn't matter how it's pronounced. So we know that that's a 90-degree angle, so all we have to do is 90 degrees minus theta equals, uh, sorry, 90 degrees minus 60 is equal to theta. Okay, so we get 30 degrees is equal to theta. Okay. Keep in mind it's an angle, so we don't have to put it in terms of a bearing, so it's 30 degrees. Do not put it in bearing coordinates, because then it will be wrong. So we're doing A to B again. Okay, so our B is over there, and we know that that is 290 degrees. So here, it's 290 degrees there. Well, if we extend it all the way back to there, that's going to include our angle. So we can say 290 degrees plus this theta is equal to 360. And you could even state the property. Angles in a circle. Circle sum to 360. So here we can quickly see that theta has to be 70 degrees. Then last example we're going to go through. So the bearing of B from A is 290 degrees. Again, find the missing angle theta. So it's just the opposite angle we're kind of looking for to that what we had before. So when you have questions, they sometimes might link together. So look at where you can take little shortcuts, because we know that we have 90 degrees is equal to our answer from the last one plus this new angle theta. So we can get that theta is equal to 20 degrees. Conversely, the other way we could do this is going all the way around and seeing that, well, we could do 290 degrees, subtract off the 270, that gets us to our west, and we'll find that that's 20 degrees. So there's no right or wrong way to go about solving these. Here are 6 questions. So find the angle theta for the bearing given below. I'm going to scroll down so you can see everything and just move this out of the way. So here are the questions. Please pause the video at this point. Whenever you're ready, we'll go through the answers. All right. So we're going to go through the answers now. So first off, we're given a bearing of here to here is 37 or 037. So our theta is simply 37 degrees. All right. Next, this bearing, again, is 37 degrees. But now we have to find the missing angle. So we go 90 minus, and you can drop the degree symbols when our calculations as long as you add them at the end. And that'll be equal to theta. So theta, when we do that, is equal to 53. That's degrees. Carrying on, we know that B from A is 124. So we have to go theta equals 124. we want to subtract off that 90 because we just want that little bit in the inside. So we're going to get that we have 34 degrees. Okay, so next three. So we're on question 4. So we B from A, once again, is that, and we know that that is 124. So we have to figure out this missing one that makes it up to 180. So how do we do that? Well, we do 180 minus 124, and that'll give us what we're missing. And that will be our theta. So we find, sorry, don't know why it keeps going up. One sec. Okay, sorry about that. So we're going to find that that is 56 degrees, and that'll be our theta. Next one we're going over. So we want to figure out theta here, but I can't see our bearings, so we might need those. So we know all the way over here is 220. Our closest thing that we know is 180. So we're going to go 220 minus 180, and that'll be our leftover theta. So 40 degrees. And that'll be our theta. And very last one we have here, B from A is 330, and we've done actually these a couple times before. So here we just take away from a full circle that 330, and we'll find that our theta is 30 degrees.